gusto mo.
Happy birthday, te!
Happy birthday! Stay as sweet as you are!
Happy birthday, te! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo!
Happy birthday, Ate Leslie. Thank you for everything. And sana mabuhay ka kung gusto mo matapos mo lahat ang utang mo. At maraming blessings.
More blessing to come.
Balihatin mo, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby. How many more years?
Wala siya sa
Happy birthday to Ate Levi, and more blessings to come, and be strong. And I hope that God will give you the more hands to walk in the Happy birthday again, Ate Levi.
Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Ikaw naman, Jarish!
Saya.